welcome to the 4th Saturday video hop. Hi from Freddie and myself. Do you remember when I made the ransom letterbox?
Oh, love it.
All the letters of the alphabet. So have I got it upside down? Yes, I have. All the letters of the alphabet. I made it from Amazon packaging. I love it. It's full and I use it in my art. I love it. And I got to thinking, I have these little letters here that are great for little mini journals and ATCs, and I thought, let's make a small set. And I cut the letters out of magazines, so I've been saving some small letters as well. Come in a bit closer and let's make this together. You've probably noticed it's evening time here. We've had our day and I thought it'd be lovely to come back in here. I love this. Spread the joy. I love that. And do some creating. So I've got some Decopatch paper here from Trudy. I've been through such a phase of making Decopatch all around the house. I think I've shown you some of them before. Have I shown you the bedroom mirror? I think I've shown you the lounge mirror. Oh, I just love doing it. So relaxing. Such a nice thing to do in the evenings. Really lovely. So I'm going to cover this box and make ransom letters. Oh. I use the ransom letters in my happy mail. I love to make an envelope and put someone's name on the envelope or a postcard. And I've got some in my journals, I think. Oh yes, look, welcome to October. Well, I've covered the, welcome to October, it's a page. Oh yes, they are such fun to use. Thrive. Wonderful. They're also so relaxing to harvest from magazines. I can often be found on a Sunday Sunday afternoon, just chopping up letters. I've got free magazines here, all the different types of text, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I find it just so relaxing. Oh. This is great actually. You could do it on a tray on your lap as well. You don't get too sticky. You just put a little bit of glue down, rip up the paper, and you can pick the bits up with your sticky brush. So, very relaxing to do actually. You don't need to see that closely, so it's lovely, we can just spend a little bit of time having a little bit of a chat. So yes, we've had our day. We've been up into the woods and through a golf course, an abandoned golf course. We went with Leslie and Honey. We only got slightly lost. Fortunately, Leslie has Google Maps on her phone, so that was handy. Did I mention this was from Trudy, this lovely Decopatch paper? Just relaxing. Here he is, looking out the window for cats and foxes, maybe. But he was full of the joys of spring today. Every time he just kept dashing ahead and then coming back, and little Honey dog was following him. Oh, it's lovely. Really lovely. And we had a sandwich and a cup of coffee out. Oh, it's actually the Tower of London. Oh, that is a spoon. Wow. Which was lovely. Now, I'm going to continue on with this, and I will bring you back when it's finished, and we'll cut up some letters. And I'm wondering whether Flo would like to use them in her journal. You've got some letters to cut out too. Oh, brilliant. Teamwork. She's just been so enjoying doing her journaling. I have some ATCs and a bookmark here ready. I think these would, just from scraps from the desk, paper and fabric, so I think they'd be lovely with some of these words on too. Here we are. It's done. That was a whole sheet of the lovely Decopatch paper. Now, I forgot to say what glue I was using. I was using, in my jar, I was using watered down PVA, but I have been known to use proper Decopatch glue and Mod Podge. I love Mod Podge. I'm using some of this gold leaf as well. I just thought, because that's a whole sheet of that. A whole sheet of the Decopatch paper. And I thought, oh, what fun it would be just to add a little bit of shine to this. I think it'll look lovely. I just can't tell you how much fun and how relaxing this Decopatch, and then cutting the letters. Now you're going to leave me doing more of this, because it's probably time I let you go now, but the last thing I do is I'm going to be filling in with more. And then what I do is at the bottom, you don't see this, but you just write your letters in here. So it just gives you an idea. I will leave a link below to when I made the big one, THIJ, like that. And then when you're harvesting your magazines, you can cut out all these smaller letters too. All different sizes. They can be small like this one, or bigger like these. Wonderful. And then you just, I haven't done all the letters, HIJKL, RNOPQ, still a bit wet, QRS. Fantastic. This box was full of little wooden bits, that letters that Sam got me for Christmas for my slow stitching. And when he got them for me, I said, I know what I'm going to use this box for. They're very encouraging to all my projects. You see how relaxing this is. And then you get a mixture of all the different colours. And then another day when you come back to one of my videos, I shall show me using these. There we are. Got some room for numbers maybe and exclamation marks. And it does does get quite addictive. You can see how full this box is and how many letters I've got in each one. I love it. Let's have a little bit of face-to-face time and I will finish this up and let it dry, I think. This has been lovely. Nice to spend this time together, just sharing a project and just sharing a bit of downtime, a bit of time to relax and do a bit of creating. Shall we light a candle? I'm lighting this candle to shine Thank you for joining me, and thank you also to Meri from the Meri Atelier for organising this hop. In the description box below you'll find other people's videos and see how they interpreted the prompt, the brief of letters and script. So I'll see you later. I'll catch up in chats and in the comments below and in other people's lives. Take care, everyone. Bye. I'm going to tiptoe through here because this is where the bluebells come. We were just saying, never seen it so vividly green. And the shapes. Yeah, let's go this way. Oh, lovely. I am just so taken by the green. Beautiful. Oh.